Hello and welcome to Wadi World. It's good to see you as we get on in age and as we learn to enjoy life through travel. Today I want to talk about some of my travel accessories, i.e. bags and things like that. And it becomes important as we get older, our bodies changes. In my case, I had some major surgery on my shoulder, so I can't carry things quite the same. You know the old saying about, the older you get, life can be like a roll of toilet paper. The closer you get to the end, the faster it goes. So we want to use it wisely. So I've been making some adjustments, just like I did with the Briggs. I did a video that talked about going from Briggs and, well, actually from Monos to Briggs and Riley. I have another backpack that I use as my normal travel backpack. I'm going to be changing that over, and I'll do a video on that in the next few days when the new backpack arrives. Today I want to talk about something else that I made a change in. I'm going to talk about cross bags, or I've used these a lot. I like them, and I really have a liking towards the leather ones. They have a nice feel, they wear, and they age really nice. And so I've used these for years. I have a number of leather bags that I've used. I even have tunis that are nice and leather that I've used for years. And these are cross bags, so they go across you like this and they hang over. Problem is, it's pulling on either my shoulder and my neck, and some of us can start to slump forward and not feel good about having something constantly pulling on you. So I still have this, and I'm gonna still use this. But that, the other thing was a thin strap. That was one thing that bothered me a bit. So then I have my other bag that I normally use, like a cross bag. It's a bit bigger. It's a old Fossil bag that I found on eBay, and I got it for a really, really good price. So always, if you're looking for certain things, especially nice used leather bags, check eBay. They might need a little cleaning or just some TLC, but they work out really nice. This guy has a nice thick strap, and I liked it because I could use it as a side bag, or again, a cross body bag. But I can't use this around my waist, a waist option, and that's just, I don't want much pulling on my neck. Even if I'm using a backpack, and I'm not even sure about that as much, I might just be going to a different type of carry in addition to my Pullman or my trolley swivel luggage. So something caught my eye, and I think the first thing that caught my eye about it was the color. And so we're kind of doing an unbagging. It's an unbagging of the Osprey. It's the Osprey Daylight. I believe this is like color's called a tumbleweed, but I like the color. It's got a nice orange. I mean, everything I have is either tan leather or black. And this is, I guess, as you get older, you want to stand out and be like the old guy, waist back up around his belly. So yeah, this is cool. So I like the color. It's nice orange, and the back is a blue, and it's got did I say orange? Yeah, this is a tumbleweed, or more like a mustard. And then the strap is like an orange. And so, it's got nice rubber handles that fit my fingers really well and open it up, and nice pack there that allows you driver's license, a wallet, passport. And the next section on this, I think this is let me the tags here say this says 2-liter. And I think that's 121 inches. I don't know if that's right. 2-liter, and it's rated to hold up to 46 pounds. That's a lot to have around your waist. It's sustainable design, made from, I guess you would call that recycled materials, nylon, which I like the idea of using that. We have enough stuff that's going into the landfill, so let's pull some of it out and make good use of it, even though we might be getting a little stiff by using recycled stuff. But, recycled paper card. You've got a little scan tag to scan for more information, blue design. But anyway, so getting back to that, you have your main compartment here. And that is really big enough to hold a cell phone, to hold my DJI pocket, my mini tripod, a battery, quite a few accessories, quite a few in here. And within there, you have another mesh pocket. And inside that mesh pocket, you've got your key holder. So a lot of times I've done this before, and I'm sure somebody else says, I'll take one of my other bags and just drop my keys in there. And then when I need my keys, I'm rummaging around looking for my keys, and you can just clip them on here, and they're right there, the last place you left them. So, and I really like this. So I tried it just before I did the video. And one thing that I noticed, I'm not a skinny guy, and I'm working on getting healthy. Not so much skinny, but healthy. The width of this guy. So right now I'm probably about a 36 waist somewhere, but it's going down. And this is almost at the end. So before we go that, the clip slips in there. So the clip is in front of you. Some of the other waist packs, or the clip is in the very back, which I found quite annoying. So you have to literally reach behind you to unclip it or swing the whole thing around. But I'm going to put this on for you. Now this one, it's kind of got, I don't know how you explain the way it's made. It's kind of oblong, or I don't know, stealthy shape, kind of got the little round thing going around the front, but it's really comfortable. In the back it's padded, so it fits really well. That's comfy. Goes down there. The other ones, the clip is right here on the side, which is really cool. So you can just move it right here, and the clip is good. The other ones, you have to turn them all the way around to the back to clip them, which is not really that intuitive, not fun. But this one, either over here, and it fits down because it's kind of contoured. I guess that's the word I was looking for, contoured. It fits really well. Or you can go right here in the front. You can reach in here, and you can your passport, or if you're in a situation where you're using a boarding pass, and even if you want to wear it up in your belly like this, it's even comfortable up like this. Padded, really nice and padded, and it's kind of got some. Yeah, there's some in there, little honeycomb design that allows air to get in, so that would keep you from, I don't know, having a big sweat swatch in front of you, which is kind of, some would say, ew, you're sweating in front. But it's very well put together, nice ties there, easy to get your fingers in, snatch them and pull. So this is quite the find, and it's not that expensive. I wasn't really sure how much to expect to pay for an item like this. Now look, I can just reach right over here, boom, unsnap it. I don't have to pull it around to the back. Go right there and unsnap it. Cost-wise, $35. And I think that's pretty good. Anything from $30 to $35. This is really good. It's got the natural contour, the cooling honeycomb, so you don't get all sweaty and yucky. And got another little clip. I guess you can hang it if you need to hang it like a toiletry bag or something. But it's the Osprey Daylight, and I believe this color was called Tumbleweed. Sustainable materials, versatile accommodations, a kaleidoscope range of activities from day hikes to farmers, markets to travel. Compatible as an attachment to several Osprey travel backpacking bags. Cool. Yeah, so check it out if you are in the market looking for something other than a cross bag. And then, of course, you can always wear this as a cross bag, and that's what really kind of was a seller for me. So if I wanted to, I could put it over here, microphone noise, and wear it as a cross bag. A lot of microphone noise, I had to fix that. Wear it as a cross bag, and I'd probably have to let it out some more. That's the only thing. If there was anything, I would say that they could probably make this the strap a little longer, because even if it wasn't a big guy like me, it could be a struggle to get it around your body as a cross bag. But this is the Osprey Daylight Pack waist bag. We can call it a waist bag. I guess that's what it's called. So that's my unbagging, unboxing of this guy. Ta-da! I think what really got me, I like the color. I like the cool design, the gray and the tumbleweed, or I like mustard, and the orange and the whatever blue this is. So that's a quick overview of Osprey. This is not, this review is not sponsored. Yeah, it's sponsored by Wadi World. It's by me. Hey, so watch some more of my other videos. I think the screen went away on me, or the screen was on back there. So watch some of my other videos and check it out, and let's do some travel. We will be going back to Japan and some other things, maybe doing some interstate travel to enjoy some of our state parks and national parks, as many as we can. Hopefully we're not having any problems getting in them with all the things that's going on in our world today. So we will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Do me a favor, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, and like the video, and let me know what you think. If there's any ideas, anything you want to share, share it. I'll shout you out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Oh, one more.